Hi everyone, today I'm back at my studio. So I want to like style my hair this morning. So I thought why not just video it down for everyone. A lot of people have been asking me about the Dyson, how I use it, how to use it. So my usual style is the curl with the barrel. Today I want to do something different, just straight and maybe a bit of C-curl. I've already permed my hair, so it naturally has some like volume now, but it tends to be a bit frizzy and no shape. Just now I have slightly brushed through already, so I'm just gonna go through, record it down, and maybe you guys can use this reference. So for my fringe, I will use the brush, do downwards with the, this is not on, but I'll do it downwards. For this area, I do it back. Sometimes I'll back and then I'll push up for a little bit of volume. Same goes for here. And sometimes if your hair is really wet and you find that it's very hard to dry, I will section it and go underneath, just like a normal comb with the hair dryer, but this is 2-in-1 really, so this is why I really love it. So let's go. To do a turn at the tail. You can do it inward or outward, but I kind of like it inward like that. It's like much softer and shiny. So I just make it stay in place. I will use the pusher, which is a push up. So after I use the hot one, I'll push up and hold, and it will stay something like this. Usually I don't do this, but the other day I saw my other video. My fringe keep opening up, so I'm just gonna put a hairspray. This is from Lucindo. I just want to cover my fringe here, my eyes, then slightly go over. Yep. Do something like this. And then for hairs, if you want the curls to stay, you can put a bit of hairspray. So how do I do it is the shape. After I get the shape that I want and I like, hold the hairspray at the distance. You don't need to go like a lot. It's just slightly setting the shape of the hair. For personal day-to-day, I usually don't put much hairspray to my hair, but if you want the hair to stay, like if there's a function or something, usually I'll go hairspray, and it gives the shape a bit more definition compared to this one. I'll do the same for this side. Get the shape one, spray it from across. If your fringe keeps falling in front, pull it back from a distance, spray it, and then it will like open it up a bit more. So this is the finish one. I'm gonna go do my makeup now.